Hey guys, this is just a real quick video to let you know if you've been waiting for the Valencia trays to come in stock. They've been out for months through Valencia. Amazon just got in a big shipment. So I've got some in here. Let's take a look at them. So it's a plastic shell and we've got the stem here. It looks like it just screws into place there. And I'm not sure what is wrapped up in here. Oh, it's just a little wrench to tighten the stem. Okay, and then on the flip side, got a nice carbon finish. No, it's not real carbon, but it doesn't need to be. The tray itself is pretty hefty. It is a smooth, glossy finish. Definitely feels like plastic, so no worries there about snagging anything. And now we just insert it into the accessory holder. And boom, there we go. Now these trays are full size, so they do block the cup holder, but if you need to put a laptop, large plate, huge popcorn bowl or whatever, you still got one on the other side, most seats. And there you go. You can store it in the armrest. There's enough space. Just like that. I'll put the link down below. If you've been waiting, now's the time. Go grab them while you can, because there is no guarantee when these are going to come back when they go out again. See you next time.